Okay, so now basically what I have is just the two legs that I cut, leaving the hemmed part at the top, so the bottom of the jeans, and then the jeans that I'm going to be adding these two pieces to, and then I just have the other jeans over there. So we're going to go ahead and thread our sewing needle, and then I'm going to start sewing. So next what I did is I just turned the jeans inside out, and then you are going to place the added part on the outside of the leg. You want to make sure that you're placing it on the outside, because whenever you flip the pants back in right side out, it's going to make the hem look a lot nicer and a lot cleaner. Also, the way you can see that I have this set up, I have the hem of the added jean up above the hem of the jean that I'm adding to. And the reason why I did that is because I'm going to be cutting this outer hem off, so that when I put on the jeans, they're not like really tight and really hard to put on. So after that, you can just pin this if you want to. I'm not going to, but I already have my needle and thread set up, so I'm just going to stitch along here and then flip it over and stitch across. So you're basically just stitching around the whole entire thing. Okay, so after sewing all the way around the outside, it should look something like this. And I'm not a professional when it comes to like stitching or anything, but this is just, okay, I need to focus. Okay, so this is just what mine looks like. Like I said, I'm not a professional or anything, and even some of my strings are kind of loose, so it's all about trial and error, and I'll probably go back over them again. But I just wanted to show you guys what one leg looks like done, and I'm going to go ahead and turn it right side out just so you can see what it'll look like. Okay, so after I finished sewing this side, this is just what this side is looking like. So this is the leg that I finished, and then I'm going to have to do this leg. I will say that this took me about 30 minutes because I was having a lot of difficulties with like my thread trying to knot up and everything, but if all goes right, then it shouldn't really take you that long. And I also had to go, like I said, I had to go over it a few times because my thread was like knotting up, so that also took a while. So I mean, roughly it should take you about an hour to do these, maybe a little bit longer, but yeah, an hour. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this leg, and then I'm going to show you guys, and then if all looks right, then I'm going to try them on. Okay, so both legs are done. This is the one that I had showed you guys previously, and this is the one that I just did. You can tell that my stitching got a lot better. Hold on, it's focusing. Okay, so my stitching got a lot better because I was basically kind of learning like how to tighten it up, I guess. And what I decided to do for this one is on the sides I left them open because I'm going to see that if I try them on, it'll make it fit looser, so it won't be as tight and it'll be easier to slip into. Whereas this side, I did sew the sides, but if that did end up happening and it made it easier to put it on this side, then I'm just going to cut the seams on this side and just re-stitch it right here. I hope that made sense. I don't know if that made sense. I'm gonna go ahead and try them on and show you guys what they look like. I'll also be seeing them on myself for the first time too, so this should be fun. Okay, so I finished the pants and they literally look so cute. Oh my god, okay. I'm gonna focus for you guys. Literally, they look amazing. I'm so happy. Oh my god, I'm sorry, I'm so happy. Okay, because I was really about to spend some money on these pants, and they were like $80-something. But no, sis, make them yourself. And then this top is also a DIY. I have one like this already up on my channel, which is a no-sew DIY. But if you guys want to know how I made this top, then I can also show you guys well. Also, I'm sorry for the lighting. I don't know why my camera's picking it up so weird, But yeah, oh my god, look at this. Okay guys, I'm so happy. Even though it's quarantine and I cannot wear this anywhere right now, I will definitely be wearing these jeans as soon as I get the chance. But yeah, that's the end of this DIY. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more videos like this. And if you guys want to see me make something or attempt to make something, don't be shy to comment down below and I will definitely get to that video. See you guys in my next one.